Hey guys, today I'm at Curry's and I just want to show you this Bosch 9kg anti-stain series 6. So first thing I want to show you is the dial. And you've got your buttons, you've got anti-stain, temp, spin speed, reduce ironing, pre-wash, wash, water, rinse plus, finishing, speed perfect, and you've got your start and reload button. Right. Cottons. Basically, on here, 9kg maximum on here, on the cottons wash. And you can also add anti-stain. And I don't need to tell you the numbers because I'm pretty sure you can just see them on here. You've got your speed perfect. It will go down to like about an hour and 29 minutes, about take away 2 hours. Eco 4060, no anti-stain, no reduce, no pre-wash, no water and rinse plus, and we don't need to press finishing. Speed perfect is also not included, but you can just use spin speed, but not temperature. Easy care goes up to like 60 degrees and 1200 spin maximum. And anti-stain, you can use anti-stain. You can use reduce ironing, and it goes up to like 600 RPM spin on reduce ironing. You can also add pre-wash, water, rinse and plus, spin speed. Delicates and silks, maximum is 40 degrees and 800 spin. And you can also add anti-stain as well. And you can also add reduce ironing, pre-wash, water and rinse plus, and spin and you can't add speed perfect. Wool is the temperature maximum is 40 degrees and 800 spin and 800 spin maximum. And you can't add anti-stain because it will go up to like cottons. No reduce ironing, no pre-wash, water and rinse plus is also not included, and speed perfect is not included. Maximum 1400 spin, and maximum is 60 degrees. And you can add anti-stain. You can use reduce ironing, pre-wash, water and rinse plus, but not speed perfect. Rinse is where you rinse the clothes if it's too soapy. You can't have anti-stain because you can't have anti-stain on rinse, can you? Well, and your maximum is of course 1400 spin. You can add reduce ironing. You can add water and rinse plus, but not speed perfect. What's at the bottom? They're kind of missing something. Wait a minute. I'm pretty sure there's something under, but I will just skip it. Spin and drain is the spin speed result is called, of course, maximum. What? Reduce ironing? Eh? I never heard of spin having reduced ironing before. And there's definitely you can't have these. Can't have that either. Drum clean. You can only have like 1200 spin. You can't change the spin speed. You can only have 1200 spin only. No anti-stain. No pre-wash. No reduce ironing. No water and rinse plus. You can't add spin perfect. Jeans dark wash. It's 40 degrees maximum and 1200 spin maximum. Reduced ironing is included. pre-wash is included. Water and rinse plus is included. And you can also add Speed Perfect to it. Super quick 15 and 30, which I use that sometimes. 40 degrees is maximum, of course. 1200 spin is maximum. Reduce iron is not included. You can also add water and rinse plus. You can have Speed Perfect. Sportswear. Yeah, sportswear. And your maximum is 800 spin on sportswear. Reduced ironing is included, pre-wash is included, water and rinse plus is included, and not Speed Perfect. Duvet is maximum is 60 degrees, 1200 spin, anti-stain is not included. Reduced ironing, pre-wash, well, these two are not included, but water and rinse plus is. Speed Perfect isn't. Well, actually, hold on. Speed Perfect is included, yeah. Hygiene Plus, don't know what that is, but 60 degrees. Spin speed maximum is 1400 spin, 60 degrees. And you can have anti-stain at last. Reduced ironing, pre-wash, water and rinse plus is included, but not Speed Perfect. And program off. And you've also got your drawer as well, max. And you've got your inside as well. And there's just the instruction and the pipe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget that reduce ironing is only goes up to like 800 spin, and pre-wash is like adds a few more minutes. I think it takes 2 washes, and water rinse plus takes about 3 or 4 rinses, and Speed Perfect it goes fast because it can just save you time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye bye.